You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk shock absorbers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the rear wheel stud bolts. Lift the rear of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. To change the rear shock absorbers on your vehicle, you need to remove the wheels to gain full access to the suspension system. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. You can now see the back shock absorbers on your car. Using a socket wrench and a 15mm socket, unscrew the upper holding screw. Scrub the shock absorber's lower retaining screw, then spray it with degreaser. Then, using a ratchet and an E18 female Torx socket, loosen the lower shock absorber nut. Secure the screw with a ratchet and an 18mm socket. You can now extract the shock absorber.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk, parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take your new shock absorber. Before installing the new shock absorbers, it is necessary to prime them by pressing the shock absorber rod vertically so that the gas and the hydraulic fluid are separated. Position the shock absorber and put the lower fixing screw in place. Then screw it back on. Fit the upper holding screw. Then screw it back on. Finish off the tightening with a Torx wrench. To avoid damaging the silent blocks, final tightening of the lower shock absorber retaining bolt must be carried out with the rear axle in the vehicle on the ground position. Lift the rear axle with a jack. Once under pressure, finish tightening the screw with a Torx wrench. Remove the jack. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels securely. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.